Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, we'll talk about everything crypto, airdrops, how to do, basically how to help you navigate this space while you earn in the process. So if you click on the thumbnail of this video, you already know what this video is about, but I'm going to go in depth as always. So now I bring to you another airdrop opportunity, although this is a paid airdrop, but even with the least $10 to $100, you can be able to do this. Now before I get into the video, if you like stuff like this, please don't forget to give me a like on this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel for updates like this further down the line. Now let's get straight into the video. Now today we're going to be talking about Perena. Perena, as you can see here, the season 1 has officially ended. The snapshot has been taken. Thank you to everyone who participated. You can check your tier and contribution on the reward page, and I feel like season 2 has actually started. I was lucky enough to join this 4 days ago before the season 1 ended. I was trying to make a video, but I was pretty much occupied. But regardless, you can still join now and still earn something, because season 1 was like pretty early, and season 2 can last for a while before the TGE, or probably also go into season 3. But regardless, doing this can put you positioned in a way to earn something when this officially launches. Now why I also like this is because there are not a lot of people that are actually farming this. So airdrops that people are not farming a lot means that the less people farm, the more opportunities you could get. Now this is a stablecoin kind of airdrop. As you can see here, modern finance begins with digital money. Grow your wealth with USD Star. So USD Star is Perena's official stablecoin, and just like high-low, if you watch the last video, you understand this better. It's just like high-low, and also like reflects money, which is this USD plus. All you need to do is go to the website, connect your wallet, and mint USD Star and hold it on your wallet. I'll show you how to do it. It's a simple process. This video should not be long in any way. Now what you do here, when you come to the website, don't worry about the links. I will leave it in the description below. So I should reload this. Why is it telling me that it's not available in my region? Network issues. So you just loaded that. So the first thing you're going to do is connect your wallet. Obviously Phantom wallet. If you're using any other Solana wallets, that's cool. And then you are going to have to buy USD Star. So now USD Star is also a stable coin, and for you to do this, you need a balance in your USDC portfolio. So for you to do this, you should probably have what do you call it, some USDC in your wallet. Let me log in my wallet. So you have some USDC in your wallet. I don't have USDC in my wallet right now because most of the coins here are actually positions that I'm farming on different platforms, and this is like on one of my wallets. So I already have USD stars. You can see I have like $71 in USD star. So I don't have USDC, so this is what you're going to do. You should have USDC. Probably like you swap some Solana to USDC here, or whatever coin you have to USDC, and then your USDC will reflect here whenever you connect your wallet. And let's say you have $10, then you just put in $10 here. It's showing insufficient balance because I don't have any USDC. You put in $10 here, and then you mint this. As you can see here, it's showing you that you get 10 Perena Petals instantly. Now Petals are kind of what you get for actually farming this airdrop, and Petals probably at the end of the day will turn into tokens when they TGE. So like I said, just enter the amount and then they will allow you mint it. And when you do this, as you can see, it says season 1 has ended. Probably season 2 will start in a few days or so. So I don't know. Now you can also earn badges here. Oh, as you can see, I have notes here because I didn't even start this on time. I started this 4 days ago. I started this 4 days ago. I only earned 1 of 3 badges, and there is no season 2 specification right now. Okay, it says Petals program conclusion and what next. Season 1 and Petals program has ended. Oh my god. Your tier gets locked at snapshots, but rewards continue to accumulate. Perena is evolving into an institutional grade platform. So I don't think this is possible anymore. But since they say season 1 and Petals has ended, yes, it has ended, but you say your tier gets locked at snapshots, but rewards continue to accumulate. So if you are doing this to keep any rewards, it's not bad. At the end of the day, it's not bad. You can just put your USDC here to work, but I doubt if the airdrop is still going to hold, because like I said, season 1 has ended and I was lucky enough to start this 4 days ago, and as you can see, I have no tier, so I'm not even sure if I'm going to get this job, because I'm even in the top 50% of people that have actually done this. So that's it for this video. It wasn't supposed to be long. I feel that probably will have a season 2, but as it stands now, I don't know if it's going to happen. So if you want to do this to just keep any petals, then that is okay. You can keep any petals. I say any petals, you can keep any yield. As you can see here, for my $71, I'm earning like a couple of yield, and I started this 4 days ago. So you can keep any yield here, but if not, you should also transition to other stablecoin style airdrops like Hilo and Reflect. I've made videos on that. You can check my page for those videos. So this should be the end of this video. If you like stuff like this, don't forget to give me a like on this video, and also don't forget to subscribe for videos like this down the line. Thank you.